Today, the utilization I am telling that may be useful for so many of us. Those who are having properties and want to give that on rent or maybe sell, or if you are a broker in property industry, then also this can be useful for you. So watch this video till end. You will have your own tool to market your product, to engage your customers and to do awesome things. Now, if you are neither a businessman nor a broker, then also this can be useful to you. You need not to pay any amount for that if you are not using any domain. You can use this for your family purposes also. You can create your own website for your family where you can keep your insurance documents, your vehicle documents and so many other important things. Hey, hello and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is SK and you are watching #Ways to Online, where we show you how you can transform your online presence into business tool and save cost and time. We also show you how you can create Google website without hosting, without AMC and design charges. So if you want to know more about all those things, then please subscribe our channel. This will also provide some motivation to us, which is very important for bloggers like us. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. Friends, today I will show you another utilization of Google Sites. Those who don't know about Google Sites, it's a website designing tool provided by Google. You can use your custom domain. For that, you need to subscribe, which is around 250 to 300 rupees. And if you don't want to use any domain, then also you can use this. This is already available if you have a Gmail account. The top right 9 dots, from there you can explore to Google Drive, and inside Drive you will find Google Sites. So in my previous video I have thoroughly discussed about Google Sites and how you can add your domain to that to create a full-fledged website. Now today's video can be added to my ongoing video series, which is business branding. But if you are new to this channel, then also this will be helpful for you to understand how you can create website using Google's tool. And it's very easy, just drag and drop. I will show you first the website which I am talking right now. So this is the website which I have created for a property which is a 3 BHK flat, and here it is. I have reduced the size or zoom so that I can show you all the things. So this is a property website, real property website, where I have this banner image, then I have a YouTube video, I have location advantages, then I have another image, then I have the property or the flat advantages, and I have the floor plan. Now little bit I am increasing the zoom. You will see that this is the floor plan, and this is also the floor plan of the particular flat. So this is how you can customize the website, which is sometime not available. So now I will show how to create this. So to do that, I will go to the actual file. So this is the file you can see, and these are the tools with which I have created this. To reach that, how will you go? You will have to go to Google Drive. Google Drive, where is Google Drive? If you are new, whenever you will open Chrome browser and log in with your Gmail ID, you will find this Google icon. There you have to go to Drive. If you go to Drive, there you will find this new. If you click on new and if you click on more, then you will find Google Sites. When you will click Google Sites, you will reach to an interface which will look like this. So what I will do, I will create quickly this here. So here I will create quickly a website. So now what I have to do, I have to give a photo here. So how can I do that? I can use like this, search Google, like this. I will select some relevant image here. Then what I have, I will do like that. Then I have this YouTube video. So I will go to YouTube and this is my present video. So as it is example, then I will use this. So how I will do, I will copy like this and I will go to here and I will select this YouTube, then I will paste my link and then done. Then what I have this location advantage and this. So I am copying this, it will be fast. So if I double click here, see, if I double click, I will get a text. I just paste here and you can select heading. Okay. Then what I have this information. I will copy again, I will paste. Okay, it's done. Then what I have this another image. So what I will do, I will double click here and I will select image and I will search again land and building. So I will select this one. Now I have project brochure. Okay, I copy here. Now how I have created this? This is a folder, see. So to do that, I will go to the drive where I had created. So you remember this. So here I will create a folder. And here what I will do, first I will go there and I will upload files. I will go back to my website and here I will insert drive. So just now I have created a folder which is 51 here. So I will insert. Now it has come here. Okay. So one thing, you have to share this also. So to share that, go there and you have to go to advanced and here you have to make it public. Okay. So if you are making it public, then only others will be able to see that. You can change the view also, like list view, grid view. List view, grid view. Let it populate now. Okay. So now what I have this contact us. So what I will do, contact us heading, then I have this text. I will simply do like that. Then I have this rent detail heading. Okay. Now I have this map. So there are so many ways to insert a map. So what I will do, for example, I will insert my property site, which is this one. So this one, and I will select. So it will come here. Isn't it easy? I believe you will agree with me. This is super easy. Anybody can do that, and this is available inside your Gmail account, inside your Google account. So don't wait. Finish this video, jump into your Google account and start doing that. Any help, get in touch with me. Cool. So here I will see how it looks like. So click here. See, can you see this? Can you see this? The website we have prepared right now, and it will look like this in mobile. See? Now, how to publish this? Because this is only with you. So just click here, publish, top right corner, publish, and web page address is, let me give you a short name, 52 property. 52 property, publish. When it is published, there is an option, see view at the bottom, see my mouse, click there and you will get the shareable URL. I have to do one thing which I forgot to tell, and that is this publish setting. See, only I can view it, and with people whom I have shared, they can view it. So let's change it to public. So if I copy here and open a browser, let me try one more time, and voila, it's open. You can see this. So friends, how was it? This is an amazing way to use Google's tool for your own benefit. You can use this for your family purpose also. Create a family website, put all important documents there, insurance, vehicle documents over there, and share the URL, the shared URL, which is this, to your family member, and they will be able to find important necessary documents when they need that. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video to them. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe, and if you have subscribed, then please encourage your friends and family to subscribe our channel, because here we show how you can transform your online presence into business tool and save cost and time. And apart from that, the way I have shown, it's a cost-free way to design your own website. So this is all about today. See you on our next video. Till then, goodbye. But at the end, if there is will, there is ways to online. Bye-bye. Take care.